Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing Scottish cream buns. Her daughter stepped in at the end when her mum felt poorly and needed to take some rest. So these buns are soft, airy and lightly sweetened, filled with luscious fresh whipped cream and strawberry jam. It's perfect for a festive dessert when you're trying to impress the guests, and believe me, it's hard to stop at one. So let's get straight to the ingredients. There are 3 sets of ingredients. The ingredients for the dough, the ingredients for the sugar glaze, and the ingredients for the whipped cream. Method. We're on stage 1 preparing the dough. So add in the water, the melted butter, milk, egg, yeast, vanilla extract and sugar to the mixing bowl of a stand mixer and mix to combine. Now add in the flour and the salt and mix until it forms a soft and sticky dough. Add more flour if needed. Note, the option to add salt is dependent on whether you are using salted or unsalted butter. Now knead with the dough hook for 6 to 8 minutes. Alternatively, you can knead by hand for 10 to 12 minutes. Grease the dough with oil and cover and set aside in a warm place for the first proofing until it almost triples in size. This will take approximately 1 hour. You can place the dough in a warm oven with the light left on. Just make sure that the oven is switched off. When the dough has proofed and tripled in size, tip it onto a floured surface. Handle gently and weigh it. Now, having weighed it in the previous step, divide the dough into 12 equal portions by weight. Using a circular motion with the palm of your hand, gently roll the dough on the floured surface to create a ball shape. Then place on a baking tray lined with greaseproof or parchment paper. Space them out to allow them to rise and expand. Then set aside in a warm place for 40 minutes for the second proofing to allow the dough to rise. When you're ready to bake, preheat the oven to the temperature shown. Now brush the tops with egg wash and bake in a preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until they are golden brown. We are now moving on to the stage where we are preparing the sugar glaze. So add the sugar and the water to a small cooking vessel. Bring to boil. Then remove and set aside. When the buns are done, remove the buns from the oven and transfer onto a wire rack while still hot. And brush the tops of the hot buns with sugar glaze. We prepared the sugar glaze in the previous step. Then set aside to cool completely. We are moving to the stage where we are preparing the whipped cream. So add the double cream, sugar and vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl. Whip until soft peaks form and it is of a pipeable consistency. Now cut the buns almost all the way at a 45 degrees angle and fill the buns with whipped cream and softened jam. Optionally, if you're feeling fancy and want to decorate, use a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle as shown by Tricky's daughter. Repeat the previous step and fill in the rest of the buns and with whipped cream and jam. You will notice a change of hands as Tricky's daughter had to step in as her mum was poorly and needed to take some rest at this point. Sprinkle the tops with a dusting of castor or icing sugar. And there you have it, soft, airy and lightly sweetened, filled with luscious whipped cream and strawberry jam, delicious Scottish cream buns. So thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other bread recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen right now and watch another video.